T, H, Ni, T, T. One count, H. Three, H. One. T. Yes. Two. Kia. Very good. Now raise. Now you ready? Okay. Alam natin ha? What's the difference? Don't take your line. The momentum remain the same. The power is intact. The speed is intact. Di ba? Okay. Right. Okay. Turn around. Turn around. Okay. Hey, joy. Bilang kakiwabe. H. Okay. By the number. Maigere. 3 counts. Maigere. Knee up. First count. Second count. Maigere. Second count. Third count down. Okay? Right. Only right. Ready. 1. Okay, down. Everybody sit down. Okay, will teach you the proper teaching. Okay? Not only but no. The proper kicking is knee up, toes up, not toes down. That is not BK way. Sino yung one? Hindi ka nun. Knee up, toes up. Okay? Not like this also. Not like this also. Close. Okay? Do not open. Do not open, okay? Okay, ready? Go ahead. Ready. Right legs. 1. Up. Toes up. Click your knee. No. Click. Balance. Ready. And then, knee up. Knee should always toes para pointing upward. Balance. Do not dance. 3, 2, snap. Balik kanan. No, tusap. Balik lang. Dito na. Balik lang. Okay. 3, down. 1. Chest out. Toes up. Knee up. Toes up. Knee up. Good. Like that. Okay. Down. Knee up. Flip. Toes up. Ready. Go! No, up. Right. 3, down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down. Okay. First count, kick. Second count, down. Ready? Inhale and then exhale. Okay. When you deliver your kick, inhale, exhale. And then inhale, exhale, down. So, 2 breathing. Okay. 1. 2, down. No. Hey. 8. Kick immediately. What's up? Go down. 8. Go. 3. 3. Oh. 8. Full speed. Knee. 1 count. I want speed. 8. Down. 1. Hey. No connection. Above your hips, no connection. up to your hips only. The speed and power up to your hips. Above, no connection. Hey, inch. Pull. Down. Back down. Push up. Inch. Three. Two. Yes. Hey, inch. Three. Stand. Three. Ah. Reverse. On your left. Three count. Ready. Three count. One. Hold up. Hold up. Click your knees. Click your knees. Click your knees. Yeah. Two. Kick. Three. Inch. Enough. Enough. Push up. Push up. Click. Click. Three. Down. Inch. Knee. Hand. This is very important. Ready. Go count. Ready. First count. Kick. Quick move. Inch. Boom. Go. Down. First count. Kick. Inch. Two. No. Three. One. Three. Down. Eight. Down. Eight. Oh. Eight. Very good. Knee. Hand. Bring up, bring up, bring up. Oh. Hey. Hey. Down. One down. Ready. Eight. Three. Ten. Hey. Push. Ready. One. No. Mababalik pa ako. Ano nangyayari sa pagkakas? Three. One. Four. Ano the same sequence? Push up. Three. Ano sa kick with the kick. No. One, two. No. Come here. One. Three. Eight. Four. Kick. Ah. Hey. Next. Hands together. That's what I said. Hands together. Come on. Hey, let's get through something. Oh. Go. Do not squeeze. Oh, okay. And then open your armpit. Open your armpit. Okay. Yoko Kirikiyage. Okay, right, one more time. Down. Hey, so nice. So nice tayo. Okay. Ang sinabi ko kanina, diba? Ito na yung patamaan natin. Hindi ito. Okay? Ito. Yung kung kinirikiyate, yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hindi yun. Hindi. Speed here. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Remember, there is no sorry. You hit me hard, you will say sorry. Because you didn't do it. You say, okay, ito tayo kaya, ma'am, okay. Kung hindi ako sa parte mo, gagawin niya. You're authorized to do it. Okay, ito naman learn tayo. Okay? Right, up. Three. Hands together. Now right. Right legs up. Right legs up. Now, eyes to the right. Everybody eyes to the right. Eyes to the target. Okay, ready? Touch the armpit. Speed. 1. lagi ng ginagawa. Lagi na. Yuko Girikiyagi, Yuko Girikikobe. This one will hit the target. Not this one. Learn to deliver your thing. An eyes to the target para you will know how it delivers to your thing. Look at the target. Look at how you deliver your technique. The technique should not be like this. Okay. So, look over here. Knee up, hips. Knee up. Okay, says no. Knee up, hips. Yung Kugiri-Kiyagi, this could be yung Kugiri-Kikobi position. But for yung Kugiri-Kiyagi, it should be like that. Okay? Yung Kugiri-Kiyagi. And then, deliver your yung Kugiri-Kiyagi without changing your hips here. One is straight. This is round. Okay? This is the one. It is target. Not this one. It will break this one. This one. Kikumi, Kiyagi, all the time. Mama Sigiri, here. My Giri, here. Kikumi, Kiyagi, here. Okay? Yes. Then from that point, each touch there. And then each. Toes up. Knee. Hand. Each. Knee. Okay? Yes. Right, goes. Okay. Partner. Ready, hurry up. Do not change the position of your body. One step. No. Just raise your wings. Okay, right leg up. Eyes to the target. Eyes to your opponent. Eyes right. Ready. Open your armpit. Ready. One. Balik. Snap. Kiyagi means snap. Kikomi means thrust. Hey. One. Stand. Three. Three. Speed. Bang. Speed. Two. Three. Stop talking. Eight. Knee. Hand. Three. Good. Each. Yeah. Three. Hand. Each. Kia. Alright. Okay? Nice. Sit down.